Have you ever found yourself frustrated by dropped calls, poor audio quality, or unreliable internet connectivity? So you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a solution that could revolutionize your communication experience. Vonage. Imagine a world where your calls are crystal clear, your internet is lightning fast, and your communication needs are seamlessly met. That world is possible with Vonage. In this video, we'll explore the key benefits of Vonage and how it can transform your communication experience. Benefit 1. Superior call quality. Clear and crisp audio. Vonage's advanced technology ensures that your calls are free from background noise, echoes, and distortion. Reliable connectivity. Say goodbye to dropped calls and missed connections. Vonage's robust network provides reliable coverage, even in areas with poor cellular reception. HD voice. Experience the next level of audio quality with HD voice, which delivers a richer, more natural sound. Benefit 2. Flexible plans to suit your needs. Tailored packages. Vonage offers a variety of plans to accommodate different usage patterns and budgets. Whether you're a home user, a small business, or a large enterprise, there's a Vonage plan that's right for you. Unlimited talk and text. Enjoy unlimited talk and text within the US and Canada, with affordable rates for international calls and messages. Add-ons and features. Customize your plan with additional features like voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Benefit 3. Advanced features for enhanced communication. Video calling. Connect face-to-face with friends, family, and colleagues using Vonage's high-quality video calling feature. Unified communications. Integrate voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools into a single platform for seamless communication. Mobile app. Stay connected on the go with the Vonage mobile app, which allows you to make and receive calls, send messages, and access your voicemail from your smartphone. Benefit 4. Reliable and secure internet connectivity. High-speed internet. Experience blazing fast internet speeds that are perfect for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Reliable network. Vonage's network is designed for reliability and performance, ensuring that you have consistent internet access whenever you need it. Security features. Protect your personal information and online activities with Vonage's advanced security measures. Benefit 5. Exceptional customer service. Responsive support. Vonage's customer support team is available to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Easy setup. Get up and running quickly with Vonage's hassle-free setup process. Ongoing support. Enjoy ongoing support and maintenance throughout your Vonage experience. In conclusion, Vonage offers a comprehensive suite of communication solutions that can enhance your personal and professional life. From superior call quality and flexible plans to advanced features and reliable internet connectivity, Vonage has everything you need to stay connected. Ready to experience the Vonage difference? Visit Vonage website or call Vonage phone number to learn more and sign up for a plan that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time.